Hi, today we're going to see how to create the cracked face effect in GIMP. I will put the link of the images I will use in the description box. So this is the first one, and now I'm going to bring in the second image. So here's the second image. I'm going to drag it to GIMP. So here it is. And now let's convert it. So here the layer here is covering the face of the women here, so it's okay. Now I'm going to desaturate this cracks layer here, so go to colors, saturation. And now I'm going to bring the scale slider all the way down to reduce saturation, and then press OK. And now I'm going to add layer mask to this cracks layer, so right click on it, add layer mask, and then check the black full transparency layer mask and then add. So on layer mask, the black represents transparency and the white opacity. So now we can't see the cracks layers here, so I'm going to use the paintbrush tool and then paint white to reveal the cracks here, texture here on the face here. So select the paintbrush tool, make sure you're selecting the white for the foreground color. And now I'm going to increase a little bit the size. So here are settings I'm using for the paintbrush. And now I'm just going to paint. So here, as you can see. So now I'm going to first select the layer here. And now I'm going to change it to multiply so you can see the effect. So here, change the layer mode to multiply. So here it is. So Control Z to undo. So I painted on the layer here. So make sure to select the layer mask. So as you can see, there's a white outline over it. And now paint with white. So now I'm going to paint on all the face here to make it quick. And then I will reveal the mouth here. I will remove the texture from the mouth and the eyes. So here it is. Now if I hide the women layer, you can see the mask here. So here it is. And now press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now I'm going to reduce the size. And now we're going to change the foreground color to black. So I'm just going to switch between the foreground and background. And then I'm just going to paint here. Make sure you're on the layer mask. Paint black on the layer mask to reveal the women layer here. So I'm going to reveal her eyes. So like this. So here, and now I'm going to just remove some of the cracks here on the mouth and the eyes. And now I'm going to reduce size, switch to the white here to reveal the cracks here, like this. So here I think it's okay here. And now I'm going to switch to black. I'm just going to fill in. So Control Z, switch to white. I just want to fill in the texture here like this. So here I think it's okay. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now make sure to select the texture layer, not the mask here. So as you can see, there's a white outline. So here's the mask. So here's the texture layer. And now go to colors. So I'm going to press the plus key on my keyboard to zoom in. So here I'm going to center the face, go to colors, levels. And now I'm going to drag this middle slider here. So if I drag it to the left, it will whiten here, it will brighten the layer here. So as you can see, it will make it blend much better. And now if I move it to the right, it will darken it. So here it's too much, so now I'm going to whiten it a little bit. So here, and now once you like the effect, press OK. And now you can still remove some of the cracks texture here. Just select the layer mask. And then here, switch to the black here for the foreground color. Select the paintbrush tool. And now let's remove here, for example, to reveal. So like this. So here I think it's okay. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now I'm going to merge down these two layers. So here it is. So here it is. That's how you can create a cracked face effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.